Samsung tablet accidentally dropped? Black screen or won't turn on after downloading apps or manually updating Samsung system. Don't worry, in this video, we will show you 6 simple solutions to fix the black screen won't turn on problem on Samsung tablet. Let's get started. 1. Charge your tablet. So even if the tablet is fully charged but not used for a long time, the power will automatically drain. If there is no problem with your tablet's hardware, it is very likely that the black screen is caused by insufficient power. Wait for charging for 5 to 10 minutes, and then try to turn it on. 2. One click to fix Samsung tablet black screen safely. If the tablet still won't turn on after charging, then you must try DroidKit. As a comprehensive toolkit, DroidKit can fix almost any Android system problem you may encounter, such as black screen, device freezing, touch screen not working, app crashes, camera crashes, etc. Among them, the black screen of Samsung tablet can be easily solved through the system repair function, and your Samsung tablet can be brought back to life in just a few minutes. 1. Free download DroidKit on your computer and launch it, then tap on the System Fix mode. 2. Connect your Samsung tablet with the computer and click the Start button to initiate the fixing procedure. 3. Put your Samsung tablet into the download mode by taking the on-screen instructions, after which DroidKit will start to fix the issue. 4. Wait for a few minutes, and then you will see the system fixed successfully. Now you can access the tablet and use it at will. 3. Restart the Samsung tablet. Restarting is often the most common and effective solution to simple system problems encountered by any phone and tablet. Therefore, if you encounter a situation where your Samsung tablet has a black screen, it is recommended that you restart it. Some devices can restart by simply long pressing the power button for 8 to 10 seconds. 4. Wiping cache partition. If you suspect your tablet is black because the cache is full, you need to clear the cache partition of your tablet. First, turn off your tablet, then press the volume up and power buttons at the same time to enter recovery mode. Go to Wipe Cache Partition and use the power button to select it. Wait for the cache partition to be cleared, then select the Reboot System Now option to start your tablet. 5. Checking the hardware. Sometimes, a black screen on a tablet may be caused by hardware damage, so you can check if the USB connection is corroded or bent, which prevents charging. Or gently blow on the charging port to remove any dust that may be inside. And when your tablet's internal temperature exceeds the normal operating range, it will also cause a black screen. So you should wait for the tablet to return to normal temperature before charging it. 6. Contact the technical support. If your tablet falls from a great height, even from a few inches, your device may have system damage or screen damage. We recommend that you go directly to the Samsung official website or a nearby direct store to seek support from Samsung technicians. Let them check the condition of the tablet and provide a suitable solution. That's all. The above are the 6 methods we provide to effectively solve the black screen of Samsung tablets. You can also choose the appropriate solution according to your device's situation. When you want to fix the problem as quickly as possible, I strongly recommend you to use DroidKit. Download this software now to prepare for emergency. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. See you next time.